Once there was a lonely boy named Dan.
Why are you sad?
Because I don't have any friends.
I'll be your friend right away. My name is Abby and what's your name?
Okay, my name is Danny.
Dan said,
Abby, do you have any friends?
Yes, I have a friend, but some of them don't like me.
Why do your friends don't like you?
Because I am ugly.
No, you're not ugly.
Raise the puppet up.
on the next morning,
May I go with you